Let's have a look at all the major developments that happened in the Indian solar industry for the month of March 2024. Number 1. Over 1 crore households have registered for the Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. States like Assam, Gujarat, UP and Bihar have each witnessed over 5 lakh registrations. The central government will be investing a sum of 75,000 crores in this solar rooftop program, for which PM Modi has urged residents who have not registered to do so at the earliest. Under the initiative, beneficiaries can receive up to 300 units of free electricity every month. Number 2. MNRE has planned to install 15 gigawatt of rooftop solar over government, commercial and industrial buildings by 2025. The government will conduct nationwide surveys to assess rooftop solar feasibility on central and state government buildings. MNRE is also planning to develop model solar villages in districts to promote rooftop solar adoption. Number 3. Assam offers state solar subsidy of up to 45,000 rupees to boost capacity. Assam Chief Minister Mr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma has announced big plans to boost solar capacity in the state. The state will offer a subsidy of 15,000 rupees per kilowatt for systems up to 3 kilowatt. For government employees availing loans to set up solar plants, the government will cover 1% of the interest. Moreover, there are plans to set up floating solar projects in Assam to capitalize on the abundant natural reservoirs. Let's have a look at some other highlights. PM Modi inaugurated 200 megawatt solar projects and laid the foundation stone for a 1.8 gigawatt project in Uttar Pradesh. India's rooftop solar installations increased by 6.25% in the previous year, out of which the residential segment amounted for more than 50% of the capacity additions. The Indian solar industry received $3.8 billion in FDI in the previous 3 financial years. Uttar Pradesh is developing solar projects of 3 gigawatt in the Bundelkhand region. Goa has approved to set up 30 megawatt of solar plants in 300 plus government buildings, which will generate 4.5 crore units of clean energy every year. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow us for more such videos.